the changes and try to bring things into the solution. Now, sustainability, environmental advantages, and everything is related to this particular concept of technology. And this is directly related with the increase in technological advances and the increase in the money supply. There is a direct increase of the carbon dioxide emissions. Now, how this goes, to start with, that in the financial times under which, this is the financial times under which everything is possible. The economic era, we are equipped with the fiat currencies empowering unlimited access to extraction of the natural resources, where we are able to create a better lifestyle. The correlation of technology with economy affects the ecology in a way that initially, before the Industrial Revolution, we used to produce, for example, 100 umbrellas, for instance. Now, with the help of the economic advantage, industrial advantage, we are now able to create 10,000 pieces of umbrellas. Technically, with the 10,000 pieces of umbrellas, the price of the umbrella should have gone down. But 7,500 years and today, the price of the umbrella is several folds higher. Now, how does this happen? This is because money is multiplied several times. So, there is a lot of money chasing lesser goods, hence creating inflation. Since the fiscal and the monetary system is no longer backed by anything, it is a fiat currency since 1971. It is directly dependent on the GDP, which is the gross domestic product of a country. So the more you produce of something, the price goes down. Hence, we can see on the chart, it is directly related with the printing of money. It's directly related to the carbon dioxide emissions. This is a very fascinating new angle of sustainability, which has never been seen before. I've written a couple of articles in a couple of magazines that explains the entire process. The entire article is dedicated to this. This is a very short glimpse to bring it to you that it is nobody's fault. It is the economic system that has put pressure on the industries to produce more so that it doesn't run into an inflationary